Hello, my name is Sanya Singh and I'm doing my master's from the Melbourne Institute of Technology. My previous video was based on the algorithm for encryption and decryption. Today's video is based on the Python code and its successful execution. Let's start. Now, this is my code and I have declared a variable called stext that would input the message to be encrypted or decrypted from the user, and this is another variable that would input the key or the distance. Now I have added some screenshots of inputs and outputs along with an error case. I would also be executing the code later in this video. I have explained in detail about the various cases in my report. These are the screenshots. And they depict various test cases. That's the error case. Now I would be taking you to my code. Okay, so this is my Python code, and as we can see that there is no discrepancy between the algorithm and my Python code. Now I would be showing you the various cases in order to show that the program is successfully executing. So it is successfully encrypting and decrypting, and it has taken into account all the user requirements. Now, the very first test case would basically show that it is a test that I'm doing just to check if my code is correct or not. Now, in this case, I would be inputting the distance as 0. So, in that case, my message should neither encrypt nor decrypt. Let's give it a try. Now, as we can see that since the distance entered was 0, so therefore it has neither encrypted and decrypted. And in order to calculate the time was another requirement. Therefore, I have imported the time module, and the time taken to encrypt was 3 seconds, as in like if it would have encrypted was 3 seconds, and the total time difference is 1 second. Now I would be running another test code where I would be checking if the program is successfully executing for smaller message and a smaller key. And suppose I give the distance as 1. So the time taken for encryption was 5 seconds. The total time taken for decryption was 6 seconds, and the total time difference is 1 second. Now, the next case that I would be checking is with longer messages and a slightly higher key. Suppose I give the key as 7. So the program has successfully encrypted my message and decrypted my message. Now, the very last test case that I'm going to show is that one of the user requirement was that the user wanted all the printable characters on the keyboard to be encrypted and decrypted. So this time I would be inputting almost all the special characters and with a higher key. Now I would be inputting the distance as 50. So as we can see that it was successfully executed. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.